Power Copy is a fantastic tool in Autocad Mechanical 2010 as well. What it allows you to do is copy your Autocad Mechanical intelligent objects. So if you look here, I've got section AA, and I've got various bits of hatching there, some center lines and so on. What I want to do is I want to copy that center line across first. So let's do that first. So I've got Power Copy, but where is it? It's not actually on the Modify panel here. Where it is it's on the toolbar again. So we go up above the tabs here, and there's our toolbar, as you can see. Make sure on the Quick Access toolbar here that you show your menu bar. At the moment mine is showing, so it's asking me if I want to hide it. So make sure that you show your menu bar. I'm going to go to Modify, and there's Power Copy right there. So I click on Power Copy, and I'm going to select the object. Now the object is going to be the center line, and then it asks for a center line starting point. So if I just hover there, like that, my object snap tracking is on, and I hover there like that. As I come across now, there's the intersection for my center line starting point. I click there, and there it is. So I just drag it up this way, left click, and there's my center line. So that's in place. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to copy that section AA. Click on the text, click on the section like that, and it's a right click, and I'm just going to copy selection that. Now I'm not going to power copy it, and I'm going to go from there, the endpoint there, down to, I need the midpoint of that center line. Now you notice that I'm getting endpoints there, so it's a shift and a right click, midpoint, midpoint there, there's my section, enter to confirm. So you can see there that I've copied basically the same way that I would copy in a normal Autocad copy command. However, the Power Copy was used on the center line. Now, these are intelligent objects here, the section marks. Now, what I'm going to do there is utilize the Power Copy again. So if I just right click, go to recent input, there is AM Power Copy. So I click on it there and select the object I want to copy. Now this is the best bit. I click on this and off we go. Base point or displacement. So I want the end point of that center line. I take it across here to the end point of that center line. Job done. Same with this one here. So it's a right click, repeat AM Power Copy, click on it, base point or displacement, I go for that endpoint there to that endpoint there. I've only got to click on that once. I don't have to select the objects because it's an Autocad Mechanical Intelligent Object. Now because I've copied those, that's a section AA and that's a section AA. So really I ought to update some text here and update these. If I double click on this, it goes straight in. So I change that identifier to B, like so, and I click on OK. That goes to B there, double click that one, change that one there. This is Power Edit again, you see, because I'm double clicking and just selecting the object. Power Edit, if I double click on an intelligent object, goes straight into the editing tools, the feature identifier. So I OK that. So I've now got BB there, so I double click there. This is just multi-line text, so I'll just change that to B-B, like so. And there we go, that's Power Copy for you. So I'll close the multi-line text editor there. And as you can see, that was quick and relatively painless because the Power Copy allows you to copy objects very quickly and very easily if they're Autocad Mechanical Intelligent Objects.